Okay, ready? Start tayo dito ha. 2, 1, squat. Take your time. Yan. Ganyan lang. Kayang-kaya natin yan. And stop. Okay, ang next natin, ito ha. Squat and lift. One side lang muna. Go! Yan. Almost. And last. Switch side. Okay, ready? 2, go! Engage lagi ng core, ha? Alright, keep going! Okay, stop. Next. Eto. Go! 2, 3, 5. Open, open, open. Keep going. Last one. Step up na kayo. Left, 2, left, go. Ito yung start natin. Tapos mamaya, we're going to switch with the other leg. Yan, move your arms. Last one. Okay, switch. Dito tayo. Right leg naman. 2. Go. Inhale, exhale, up. Yan. Up. Almost. Last one. Okay, good. Next natin dito. Almost done na tayo. Isa na lang ata to. Up. Go. Down, up. Down, up. Down, up. Keep it lighter. Yan. Go. Last one. Okay. Rest. Nice one. Woo.